On this part, we are going to create a new action, and we are going to use that action to favorite or to remove the favorite from a post. For that, in the circle app, you just need to go to controllers. And right now we have a single controller that is named HomeController. Let us scroll down, and because this is similar to how you like a post, I'm just going to copy that action. Copy this one. Control C. Then I'll just paste it down here, or maybe I'll just paste it just after the toggle post like. I'm going to change it from toggle post like to toggle post favorite. And in here now you have two options. You can either use this post like VM, or you can update the name from post like VM to something like post toggle VM, or you can just create a new one. So in the view models, home, just create a new one. I'm just going to name it post favorite VM and then add. This is going to get a single parameter, which is going to be the post ID. If you want, you can also send the user ID, but we have said that we can get the user ID in the action level. So just the post ID, just copy the name back here, post favorite VM. Then down here, we are going to check if this user has any favorites or not. So if this user has favorited this post, we see if we have any records in the database or not. So I'll just favorite and then change the text in here. Check if the user has already favorited the post. If the user has favorited the post, then we just want to remove it from the favorites table, just like this. Otherwise, we want to create a new object, so new favorite, and then in here favorite, and then post favorite VM, and then down here just add it to the favorites table. So new favorite, and then we are just going to redirect the user to the home page. Just going to put a breakpoint. On the next part, I'm just going to update the UI and send a request here.